Good morning, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great morning. Today's video, we're going to be going over the Magnificent 7 along with my current holdings and the major indexes. If you guys appreciate this content, please like, subscribe, comment. And by the way, there's a free Discord in the comment section if you guys are interested in that. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, SPY and QQQ is what I'm going to start with today. So, the big levels I would really be interested in seeing is, let's go to the weekly. If we get a weekly close above 480 today, that would be massive for the bulls. Trend is still intact, and that would be a nice move out of this base right here. If we reject 480, I think you could still stay in consolidation for now between, where's the level at? Yeah, between it's really 470, 468 to 480 is where you would consolidate between, but above 480 would be the breakout. On the Qs, I believe we're going to all-time highs pre-market. We just make sure. Lovely, this froze. All right, so right now we're at 416.71, getting a little bit more of selling, but I'm sure that this will continue to go up throughout the day, and even if it doesn't, I would watch 408.71. Specifically, I would be interested to see if we could hold the high of yesterday, which is 413. So 413 would be the level to watch for today. But what I would watch on the Qs is to see how buyers interact. So let's just say that we push to 416. So we're going to open somewhere around 416, so that's going to be right here. We're going to gap up. I would watch for some selling pressure to do maybe a gap fill trade, possibly on that. So I'd watch a gap fill, but specifically I'd watch 413.58 because you can see that's the all-time high currently. It pushes up. I wouldn't be surprised if you get a retest and then a push up to like 420 on the Qs. But that's what I'm going to be watching for the major indexes on Apple. As you guys know, I got a position in them yesterday. Pre-market, we are at 189. Not all that bad. As long as we stay above 187.45, I will be staying in Apple. Microsoft, again, I have a position in them. If we tap 396 at market open, I will be doubling my position and putting my stop loss to break even on Microsoft. Major levels to watch for today is going to be obviously 398 because that's the pre-market high so far. And then I would also be interested to see if we hold up 394. If 394 gets treated as support, then you have a potential to really push up. Just my opinion. But that's what I see on Microsoft and NVDA. We are trading around 579 pre-market, so that puts us right here above yesterday's high. So that's a very good thing. As long as we stay above 576, I would remain bullish. As long as we stay above the 9 EMA, to be honest, or the 5 EMA, I would stay bullish. Did I move this to the 5? Yeah. So as long as you stay above the 5 EMA, I would stay bullish on NVIDIA. You break down the 5, then I would maybe sell a little bit because that would give you an indication that buyers are starting to lose momentum. But I would continue to trade NVIDIA. I'm staying in that position. But the levels to watch for today are going to be, let's go to the pre-market. 583 is what I'd watch, 576, and possibly even 560. So that's what I'm going to be watching for NVIDIA, Meta. So far, pre-market, we hit 380.46. Where does that put us on here? So it's going to put us right here. Or no. It's going to put us like right about somewhere over here. So what I would watch, kind of same case as with Microsoft, is with Meta. Look for the retest of 377 of the high of this consolidating range. We might just continue to pump straight up. So I'd watch 384, and I would also watch 376. Personally, those are the levels I'll be watching on Meta. Tesla, let's see how we're doing. So we're at 209 apparently. So a little bit down from yesterday. Nothing crazy. Let's go to the pre-market. Yeah, nothing too crazy yet. You could have a possible bear flag forming up on Tesla on the 1 hour. But then again, I would also watch this demand zone. If we can get heavy volume today and the weekly candle, let's see how that's forming out. If the weekly candle can get heavy volume, then I might be interested in buying Tesla. personally. Just because, as you can see on the daily, you can see that this level was a major level last time. So I think that you have potential to go up higher. Volume is slightly picking up on Tesla, but I need to see more volume on Tesla in order to actually start a position. Google, let's see how we're doing pre-market. So we're at 144. We'll call that 145 right now. So that puts us where? So kind of the same case as with Google, as with Meta and Microsoft. I'd watch a retest of the 144 level as well. As long as you can hold, if we can get a close above 145.22, then I think you can expect more upside on Google to 146 and to 150 and 151. Which is personally my opinion on that. But the stocks that I'm holding at the moment, as you guys know, is NVDA, Microsoft, DEC, and Apple. And until the market tells me to sell, I will be